Hey, what's up everyone? Crypto Henry here. In this video, I'm going to show you how extremely easy it is to connect your hardware wallet. In this case, I'm going to be using the Ledger Nano S to connect it to your MetaMask wallet and do like whatever you want. If you are familiar with MetaMask, MetaMask is the most widely used Ethereum wallet. There are over 30 million users. But the most secure way to keep your crypto is to use a Ledger Nano S or a Ledger X or a Trezor wallet. And I've made videos for all these wallets. So if you want to know how to set up these wallets, you can also check my other videos. But in this video, we are going to see how easy it is to connect your Ledger Nano S to the MetaMask wallet. And from the MetaMask wallet, you can do whatever you want. You can interact with DeFi applications. You can send simple transactions. And you can do all this in a very, very, very secure way. That's what we want, is to have control over your crypto, own your crypto, not on an exchange. Exchanges can go bankrupt, but your wallet is not going to be bankrupt. It's not going anywhere. And I'm receiving a call. Give me just a second. Hello? So without further ado, let's connect our ledger to MetaMask and securely make a transaction. All right, so let's go ahead and open our MetaMask wallet and insert the password. And if you never connected your MetaMask to the Ledger wallet before, you'll first need to click here, Connect Hardware Wallet. And you'll have this website. You need to click here, Ledger. In this case, it could be the Trezor, but in this case, we are using the Ledger, and click Continue. So what's going to be doing now is to open Ledger Live. Ledger Live is the program that you have on your computer to manage your wallet. So now, of course, it's asking us to connect the wallet, so you need to connect the wallet first. Awesome. And we need to put our password. Okay. So now our device is connected and we need to open the Ethereum app. So whenever you do any transaction, you need to first confirm here on the wallet. So let's press both buttons to open our Ethereum app, and application is ready. Now we can go back to our MetaMask and we can switch here the accounts to our Ledger. And I have here some funds. And let's say you want to send a transaction. You could send a transaction to another address. Let's do a quick test. So in this case, I'm going to send a little bit of ease to myself. So I can click here just to copy my address, okay? And I'm going to click send. I'm going to paste my address here. And I want to send to myself 0.00001. I want to send 1 cent of a dollar worth of ETH to myself. You can review here the transaction. You are going to pay 29 cents of gas fee. Okay, let's go and confirm. It's going to ask to open Ledger Live. And we need to expose our device. Okay, now here on the wallet, on the Ledger device, we need to review the transaction. So we need to check if we agree with this transaction. The amount 0.0001 to this address. So you need to double check if the data is correct, the fees that you are going to pay. And if I click accept and send, basically the transaction will be processed. So now at the moment is pending here. If I click accept and send, the transaction will basically be processed. So done. Okay, so it took us like maybe 10 seconds and the transaction was processed. So as you see, whenever you do a transaction, when you have the ledger connected, you always need to confirm here if the transaction is correct. And the same would apply if you want to interact with a DeFi protocol. Let's say I want to go to Uniswap, launch app, and I want to do to exchange something, right? I want to exchange 0.001 I'm just doing very small amounts because I'm just like playing around a bit. But I want to exchange this amount of ETH for DAI. So let's go ahead and click swap. Remember, we have already our wallet connected in this case, and I have selected here my Ledger wallet, and I want to swap this amount for this amount. Let's go ahead and click swap, and I'm going to pay $2.61 transaction fee. So please give it a like and subscribe to the channel because I'm already spending a little bit money just to make this tutorial. I want to make sure that you know how to do these kind of transactions. Again, open the Ledger Live, expose our wallet. So now we can review the transaction. So you could blind signing, or you can just review the entire transaction and click accept and send. So once we click accept and send, you have the transaction submitted. We can also click here add DAI to add basically the DAI token to our MetaMask wallet. But within a few seconds, we should have around 1 DAI in our wallet. All right, so let's open again here. If I click assets, yes, now I have 1.20 DAI on our wallet. And if we check here also our Ledger Live and you scroll down, and you can see here that we also have these DAI amount, 1.20 DAI. These are other tokens that I already have within my wallet, but we have here our DAI. So as you see, it's very easy to interact with the DeFi protocol to send a transaction, and you can do it. It's just almost as easy as using your MetaMask without the hardware wallet. You just need to do 1 or 2 more clicks. But if you are using a hardware wallet like the Ledger, you are doing it in a way more secure way because your private keys, the way you sign the transaction is on the hardware wallet and not really on the wallet, on the MetaMask wallet. MetaMask wallet, if your computer is vulnerable to hackers, then your crypto may be vulnerable. But it's almost impossible to hack your Ledger wallet or the Trezor wallet, and that's why it's so important to have a cold storage wallet, a hardware wallet like these wallets, to keep your crypto secure. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. I will make more videos on how to use DeFi applications together with the cold storage wallets. I will make some tutorials also around the Ledger, the Trezor. So if you like this content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you next time.